Morton and Maryknoll Street. Boston police is looking for a suspect possibly with a firearm. Maybe he ran through the backyards up in here somewhere. Probably armed with a firearm. Let's see what they got going on in a second. Get the canine just pulled up.
Have that, thank you.
Next unit. This is Morton and Maryknoll. I believe I'm pronouncing that the right way. It's just if there's a sign on the street up here. This is Morton right here being the long street. And Maryknoll being
431 back on District Code 19 Andrew Square.
Maryknoll being the street that we're on right now. So they're actually looking for possible individual with a firearm. Just ran to the backyards. Let's see if they have.
They're doing Andrew Square.
Somebody looking for a tow on the Charlie side?
Charlie 431, I screwed that up. Operations, the Harry 465.
They got officers canvassing like 2 blocks each way just to see if they can figure out where he could have ran. Allegedly he ran inside these wooded areas over here, but they're gonna see if they can figure it out.
Hang up cell phone. Hey, 498, you nearby there?
Yeah, I'll take care.
I got a rapid on Charlie's able to clear up 26 Wentworth for violation of
No problem, buddy.
order. Just got an RO against the brother. He's right outside there. At least she believes he's outside there now.
She's saying he ran through there.
He's not even home.
So allegedly he took a left and ran through there. She's saying he ran through there. A lot of people are pointing that direction, so he ran that way. So maybe that's where he went. He might, he might flush him out if he's in there. The dog will probably find. What's up, my man? How you doing? Keeping you busy out there.
His info's right in the text, Dante Davis.
Boston police is going to canvass this area and see if they can figure out what's going on. Allegedly, he could have ran through this. That cuts over to this dead end. It's like a dead end street over here. So I don't know if he ran in and came out the other side over there. He's got the dog, so the dog's gonna probably. Matter of fact, let me stay out the way so the dog can do its thing. Dog might find something that we don't see. A lot of these streets are kind of like, some of them are dead-end streets, some of them lead out to other streets, but quite a few of them are dead-end streets, so. Got a police officer over there now, he just came from the other side.
Bravo 103.
This guy right here, this guy works so hard, man. We don't get no time off. What's up, my man? They're checking. They may find something, they may not. We'll see what happens. There's a couple of bike units in the area too. I've seen a few officers on bikes riding around too. So we'll see what comes up.
let me check. Hold on. Alright, they're actually gonna be delayed there. Oh, nope, hold on a second. Nope, hold on a second. Looks like they've already dispatched, it's been about a minute.
Allegedly, he ran through this area here. Might have made it to the next street and kept going as possible. All right.
Ops, Fox 421. Let me know when you're on district. When you're available.
All right, guys. So they're gonna keep canvassing the area. If anything comes up, we'll be sure to get back to you. Right now, they're looking for a suspect. You know, they may find him, may not.
Should you clear?
Should be.
Alright, I'll get another unit to slide in here. Outside of the bench at 60 calling the app for a 58-year-old male. History of PTSD. Refusing to stop drinking.
He's over there checking the adjacent address.
Slide in with him. 441. Slide him.
Got it.
Got him.
All right, guys. Anything else comes up, we'll get back to you. Right now, they're looking for a possible suspect with one firearm over here in Maryknoll Street.
Charlie 911. Alright, 415. Got it.
All right, guys. Anything comes up, get back to you.
And it was just